Alright guys, I want to make sure I start dropping more content for you guys. All these cars, we're going to be working on all of these. Stay tuned, alright? But for today, we're going to be having the Toyota Supra MK3. So, yeah, I think it's the MK3. Hope I'm supposed to write. So, and today we're going to be doing a full 3-inch exhaust. We're going to be modifying the headers to put a white pipe. The customer actually assembled this motor in here. Is a 2JZ GTE, you know, non-turbo, you know, natural aspirating. So, and today we're gonna be modifying that. I'm gonna be putting the car in the lift, so you're gonna be seeing what's be going on for today. All right, so yep, I'm gonna be bringing in inside the shop. So. All right, so I'm gonna go grab the key and show you what we're gonna be start doing for today. All right, stay tuned.
This that go and get it with no hesitation. This that never quit. Start that elevation. This that process. This that in the making. This that started from the bottom. This that motivation.
All right, so we're gonna be starting it. Bring it inside the shop.
You me attack, yes, stop right there, sir. You me attack. Make sure you go like, share, and subscribe. And send it to all of your friends them and your family them. Go on right now, go do that. Thank you, please.
Alright guys, back on this. I have a couple customers pull up early, so I have to stop to take care of them. So yep, so the customer did basically cut it so they at least actually could fit it, and then they bring it to me. That way I could work my magic and make it happen. Alright, so stay tuned guys, I'm gonna let you see what I'm about to do. Alright, so I maybe continue cleared it and then I put it in one piece afterwards. So I'm gonna make sure I clear the frame and everything. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'll show you what I'm about to do next as I go in the procedure. So this is what we have done so far from yesterday, which was last night. Up until late last night. So did the two, joined it in the middle. I'll show you guys more once I lowered it. So yes, this is how it's coming out so far. Alright, so we're making some progress. This is a 3-inch vibrant resonator. So that's where we are right now. So slowly marking it up, putting it together and everything. So this is how it's coming out. So afterwards we're gonna be dropping the exhaust and then, you know, weld all the areas that's up top. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so this is where we at now. So most likely I'm gonna be cutting somewhere right here, put a V-band, and then I'm gonna end up coming over here with the muffler that the customer brought me. So yep, this is where we at. Work in progress, little by little. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the next step when I get there. All right. So the customer asked me if I can tuck the exhaust as high as possible, because, you know, the car is pretty low, so that when he drives it doesn't rub much. I was thinking about putting the V-band right here, but I changed my mind because I'm like, if I put the V-band right here, when it's so low, it's definitely gonna, especially the V-band is gonna be a little bit lower. It's gonna be basically rubbing more and damage the V-band. So I'm gonna go up something like this right here, and then I'll add the V-band somewhere up top more. That way, even if it rubs right here, it's just the welding basically with the pipe. So yes, this is where we're sitting right at for right now. So we're taking a lunch break, so we'll be back soon. Some Jamaican fried chicken, rice and peas, and vegetable, you know, on the Sunday, and a bottle of water. So this is a 3-inch full exhaust that I have made, V-band with a 3-inch flex pipe and a vibrant resonator. And so this is the whole macking up and everything. There's another V-band that's right here basically. So I end up made a little hole right here, welded that way I can leave. I have a support for the hangers, so I have a hanger right here, I have a hanger right here, and there's another one that goes right here, and that's the headers that I built. That's a custom white pipe that I have made myself. So yeah, that's how it's looking. So you guys stay tuned. And that's the muffler that the customer brought to me, so I just make it work basically. So has its own support anyway. So yep, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys after I finish welding everything together. All right, so this is the final touch. So everything is basically tied in. I just gotta take it down now and weld it all the way. So yep. Try to tuck it as close as possible. Guys, this is the finishing of the first product. So this is how my bead look basically that I lay down. Yep. So tell me if you guys liked it, what would you guys like to see more, and what improvements you guys would love to see. So these are the beads basically. How it looks. Yep. So let me know guys how it looks and everything. I would love you guys' feedback and everything that I'm doing. So now I'm about to take down the headers next. Well, I'm gonna take this drum, I'm gonna take down the drum first, finish up the drum, and then I'll move towards the headers afterwards. Alright guys, so this is the headers for the top stock 2JZ GE. So this is a custom white pipe from me basically, that I made to fit the manifold. The customer, they brought it in, which was cut already, so I used 2 pipes to make a white pipe, and then slowly bring it down from, I think this is a 2 1/4 down to a 3-inch basically. So, and that's where the O2 sensor is gonna go basically. So yeah, so this car normally comes with 4 O2 sensor because it's a stock setup basically with a stock ECU. We transfer the engine over to this So you got 3 sensors, and then the next one 4. So that's a stock white pipe, custom white pipe. Yeah. And then that's the exhaust right there. So this is basically the finished product of everything. How it's looking. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be installing back the headers now. As you see, this is a custom swap and stuff. So this is the headers, so we're gonna be installing the headers now. That's custom headers that I put together earlier. Alright, so keep you guys posted once I finish putting it together. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be doing the first startup video, so stay tuned. Alright, let's start it up. Ante, yo, big up. All right, he's gonna start it up and you know, see his reaction on it. See how it goes. So the car is actually cold. It's gonna be a cold start and everything. He just drove down here to pick it up. So let's see. Yep. A little warm up a little bit and then you can tap on it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna give you guys a walk around. So sounds good? Yeah. All right, nice. So yeah, that's a customer for the car. So I actually redid this bracket for him too as well. I made a little adjustment because this cable right here was for the stock car, so it didn't actually fit the same way and everything, so yeah. Go ahead, you can go ahead and tap on it. Sell him. Alright, that's it, man, that's it. Yeah, he's happy, so that's great, man. So what's your thoughts on it?
It's like a Honda.
Yeah, I know exactly what you asked for, right? Yeah. Make sure it's not too loud and all that type of stuff. So I told him, I said, hey, I got the sauce, man. Don't worry, I got you. I'll make sure, you know, when you're driving, it's not too loud, it's not ricey or anything like that. So we put a nice resonator, you know, to go with the muffler and everything like that. And then later on, he'll be back for another muffler, basically. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for supporting. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Go that way. After customer leave, that is it. Late night outside.
Continue our train out the navigation.